for this boy. That one that have big bomb, here and here. Eh? And you want to come and finish this my portable bomb. Every time you'll be looking for where to press. You're even reducing it. What is it, say? Try this nonsense again if I will not tell madam. Nonsense. Don't fire you there.
Mama, I'm fine. I'll be going to Abuja for my 2 weeks orientation camp.
My daughter, how is your husband taking this whole thing?
It won't be easy for my husband because we've talked about it, Mama. I will reapply for Lagos. It's just for 2 weeks and I'll be back.
You'll reapply?
Yes, Mama.
It's okay. No problems. Since you two agreed from day one that it's going to be so, I don't have any problem. You have to be careful. Okay, my daughter. No problem.
How is Mama doing?
Mama is fine. She sends her regard.
That's okay. Here. Please take this. I want you to manage this. Manage this very well because business has become so funny these days. I cannot understand anything again. So please manage this, okay?
My husband, I appreciate everything you have been doing for me. Trust me. I can't wait to be done with this whole thing so I can start supporting you.
Okay. So, what of the light?
He's sleeping inside. I'll talk to Izene to always come feed him. But as for taking him to school and beating him, please baby, you have to be doing that for me. For us. It's just for 2 weeks. I'll do everything possible for them to relocate me back to Lagos. Please.
Are you sure?
Of course. I need to be with my husband and my child.
It's already done now, so what can I say?
It's fine. It's okay. Before I know this whole thing will be over, okay?
Sure.
You know yesterday they shout your name everywhere since.
You know yesterday they answer you everywhere since.
Come. Where you go where you need to go?
Which kind of nonsense talk be that one? Which one be where I go? You don't know say as the chief security officer, say I suppose they waka all around this house before person go use ladder, climb fence, enter this compound. No.
I hear you, no problem. I hope say before you go to your bathroom, say you get me.
Go check am.
As I say, bless you. I beg you carry your food for kitchen. I won't go market. As it be like this time, I won't go market.
You know again when you go come here, anytime when you don't begin call me, Onukube, they waste my name. I know say na food, you know pass food. And no be saying na better, we go just cook one half done. Use and the worry person for this compound.
They call my food half done.
Meanwhile, who be the other way even pass inside? This guy just dey here since. What did they happen here? They are in a car park.
Feel like say you like talk. You like gossip.
So even if I like gossip, where gossip one from come out from the body? This empty body, where gossip will come out from this one? Baby, shut up.
If you like, no come carry your
Just
food.
talk rubbish.
And they go market now and I go lock that gate.
Once you don't cook this, you have done yam, have done potato, or any have done stew, this sharp person.
No come carry your food. No come carry your food. You go chop that. Not chop. In fact, rubbish. In fact, no see you chop. Man, no chop.
I can hear you. Oh, come on. But I sent $45,000 for their... I sent $45,000 for their tuition fee, didn't I? What else do you want from me? Including the expenses that you talked about. Come on. Hey, am I not trying my best? Because am I not playing the role of the husband and the best man that you can ever have? What else do you want from me? Can you feel trouble? Oh, come on. Mbano, you don't need to bother yourself. That one, you don't need to bother yourself. See. Oh. Why don't leave this thing to you? I'm here. You're coming. Are you not coming again? Then till you get here, then we'll talk about it. You lose your back. I can hear. Okay. Bye. You know here. When you get here, we'll talk. Bye. mind if you have a car. Oh my God. God has already secured so, you know, that is what I call the completion of the completion. Women were actually made to do what? What I told you guys something. Women are like the sons. Wow, you use them. You're different definition. This guy, you go back. I was. Go back. Let me give other please. Right? Why? One is number one. One is number two. One is number three. One is number four. One is number five. Side chick is number six. No. I don't know. Number six. How can wife be number one? Side chick number six. Of course, what it is. Side chick can even be number seven. No, it doesn't matter. Wife is four. Let me tell you the truth. Our wives are great. Side chicks are just like another club. Just everything that you support you when you have a problem, if you have a good one, what are you doing research? Who will believe you when things get hard? Are you saying we don't have good lives? This is a good news. The one thing is the one thing yeah.
Isn't it?
Yes, Auntie.
Did you remember the letter you brought to my house the other time?
Yes, I do remember.
It's for my NYC orientation camp.
NYC?
Yes. As we speak, I am going to Abuja.
Abuja?
And I will stay for 2 weeks.
2 weeks?
Yes. Actually, why I called you is because I need your help. I need your help because of my baby. I need you to always help me bring him back from school. Whenever my husband comes back from work, he will come pick him, please.
I know where you are heading to. Don't worry, I will do anything within my power to be a mother to Delight. And our exam have started, so we'll close before 2. I'll do that for you.
God will bless you, isn't it? Please help me, make sure he feeds well.
No problem, Auntie. Delight. Mommy's joy.
Don't worry, when I come back.
Smile for me now.
When I come back, I will surprise you.
No problem, I trust you now, Auntie.
There's no problem.
Delight boy. Hi, smiling.
Auntie will be taking care of you, okay?
Alright, I will take very good care of you, okay?
When I come back to that, so many things for you. Honey!
Guys, I'm coming.
Smile.
I love, please be fast.
Delight. Smile now.
Smile, Francis.
Smile.
Okay? But please don't take too long.
Babe, I'm starving too.
I know.
Okay, be fast, babe, please.
Just get something for us.
Oh, madam. What kind of food I like? Stella! 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 Stella!
What's going on? Which she?
Stella, please take it easy. If you want more food, I can get you more.
Do you want more? Do you want? You will not understand. It's been long I ate this kind of food. As it really tastes so.
Okay, at least use cutleries.
Right?
Yes.
I've been very, very stressful. It will be very stressful. Stressful. You don't want to waste food. I need to eat every bit of this chicken right now.
Okay, get your meal.
You get? Yes, to get this kind of food. It's like your friends are insulting.
No, don't worry. Enjoy it.
She's such a bushy girl.
Enjoy it.
It's okay, no, it's okay.
Yes, isn't it? Thank you so much, my sister. Thank you for the love, the concern, the help and everything that you are rendering to me. Huh? God bless you. Okay, yes. Food in the fridge. You can bring it out. There is stew, there is soup, and there is rice. Okay, yes, you can even boil white rice for him. Okay? Oh no! I will not stay long. I'll come early today. Hey, my sister, thank you. Oh. Thank you. May God bless you. Bye.
Oh boy, you have become scarce these days. What did happen?
But I do not understand.
And besides, who is the isn't it you are talking to on the phone?
You don't. What is your problem, my friend? Didn't I tell you that my wife was going for her NYS in Abuja?
You said so. Has she gone?
Before Uncle. So don't go now.
Okay. My brother, I understand the stress you are going through. But I mean, how are you going to cope with that of your son?
You overheard me now making a phone call. This is this girl, she's in our compound. Her name is Ezene. She helps me with everything with my son. She's the one who's helping me now.
Okay, that is why you are like this.
Oh.
Oh, I beg, she got small. Not just 3 weeks. She will be back now. Waiting. Or are you trying to tell me that the light is old enough to be someone's elder's brother?
Your head no well. You just go. Your head no well.
Well, I beg, give me charger. Make I go. Give me charger.
Abuja is really beautiful.
Hey. You can say that again, my darling.
This town is for green pastures, especially for people that are well connected.
Wow. I'm so glad that I came to this town. Look at me.
I'm seeing it.
Look at money.
Hey.
Affluence.
Too much money.
I give myself the kind of life that my parents didn't give me.
Hey! I can see. See, it's written all over you. You're enjoying. You smell money. Even the blind can see it.
I know, right?
Oh my God. Tina, you know I'm your friend. Just connect me to this your boutique business. So I'll start eating money like you. If it means living in this town permanently, I don't mind though. Yes, I'll just go discuss it with my husband and I'm sure you will accept. Yes, now we need to make money so I can, you know. Hey!
Sounds nice, but my darling, Abuja is not for the faint-hearted. Are you sure?
More faint-hearted. Did you forget? I forgot to. Hey! I'm a bambo now.
If I'm married,
happy married. As long as money will be coming out from the business, you will support me.
Okay.
Of course.
I'll think about it.
Okay. Good to see you!